Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to uninstall League of Legends in a Windows PC. Whenever you are trying to uninstall the game, you got the error Riot client is still running. Let's uninstall the League of Legends. To do this, click on this system tray icon, and if Riot client or Riot Vanguard is running in the background, just right click on it and select exit it. After doing it, go to search menu and type run. Click on open it. In run window, you just need to type percentage local app data percentage again. Click on OK to open up. In here, you just need to search for Riot Games folder. Just right click on it and select delete it. After deleting this folder, just close up here. Now you just need to go to search menu and type League of Legends. Just click on uninstall and you can uninstall without having any problem. And that's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.